quick video on this device. This is probably, I don't know how many I've purchased and none of them ever work. So I'm trying it again to see if it actually does work. This is a USB-C. This is my iPad 4th generation, 12.9 inch. This is the USB-C charger / headphone 3.5mm input jack, and I'm just going to test to see if it works if I directly connect it to the actual tablet. So this is the charger. And oh, it's charging. Sorry, I don't want to show you my tablet. I'll just let you know if it's working. And it's working. It's charging. Awesome. Okay. And now let's see if the headphone works. Try my daughter's headphones. Okay, let me try. So the charging is working, but the headphones are not. Nope, they are not working on my iPad Pro 4th generation. Let me try on the actual keyboard. Nope, it's not even working plugged into the keyboard. This is the iPad 4th generation. Not working. Let me try another headset. I'm trying a second set of headphones. And, now it's not even charging. Oh, now it's charging. Second set, nothing. All right, let's try these are my daughter's headphones. First ones I tried were pink, now these are blue. Let me try the side of the light. Both ways, the pass-through charging is working just fine. Oh, it even has a little icon. I've never seen that before. Oh, it went away. Not working. All right. I need to find one that works. And this one's not working. Let me try another video. Nothing. It sort of pauses. It's pausing the... No, not working. All right, so this is a return. I do not buy. It's not working. I tried it both ways. Headphone, it charges, but the headphones don't work. I'm still looking for an adapter that will actually do both. This is probably my 20th one that I've purchased, and I still have been unable to obtain a working. Now I got one more headphone. Let me try one more time. I mean, this would be great if it works. Nope, the video just pauses. I'm doing YouTube, which is one of the things I watch the most. Let me just try Netflix just in case. Not even with Netflix. What's going on is once I plug it in, it'll play for like 2 seconds, and then it kind of like crash. It'll just pause. Like this is Netflix. I'm trying to watch it, and it just paused in black screen. Just not working. All right. Do not buy. I tried it. Now I got to waste my time returning it. Do not buy.